Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today I wanted to do a tutorial using the new Maybelline foundation. I got this Superstay foundation and I got it in the color Warm Sun. It's actually a little too yellow for me, so I will have to get a different shade, but I made it work for this tutorial, as you can see. I also tried the concealer Age Rewind here, and I got it in the color Golden. That color works fine for my highlight. And since I was using those two, I just decided to do an affordable tutorial. So everything that I used in this tutorial is affordable. I hope you guys enjoy this look. If you would like to see how to get this look, then please stay tuned. Also, please continue to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow our family. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you so much. Bye-bye. Hey beauties, let's go ahead and get started. So I just got off work and I washed my face, so that's why my eye is red. So ignore that, it's going to clear up while we're doing the video. But we're going to go ahead and get started now using the L'Oreal Brow Style Frame and Set in the color Deep Brunette. I need to get a color lighter because I still feel like this is too dark. So I'm going to get another one. But for now, let's go ahead and get started with this. Okay, so now we got both brows done. They are not perfect yet, so we have to go ahead and go in with our concealer. I'll be using the L'Oreal Nude True Match Super Blendable Concealer in the color Neutral in 45. Okay. And this is the Fit Me Concealer, and I'm going to use that on my eyes as a primer.
Can I open?
Okay, so now I'm going to put these two colors. So I'm going to put this color here. It's a champagne color called Allison in the front, and this pink color and this purple color all are gonna ombre. So I'm gonna do that right now. So I'm using this NYX glitter glue. Okay, so now I'm just going to use the end of this and go into the glitter. I saw Princess Bella do this, and it is one of the best things that I've learned to do because the glitter doesn't get caught up in the brush. So now that we've gotten half of the lid done, I feel like I just need to go ahead and go all the way. So we're going to go ahead and just do the front of the lid in pink. And I'm using the pink glitter that came in that same set. The pink was spilled out, so I can't really show you, but it's literally the same as the purple, but pink. Same kind of sparkle. Alright, so there we go. I was not planning on going this sparkly, but it only made sense once I started. So now we're going to go ahead and do our wing liner, or I'm thinking maybe we'll just do a liner that comes out here and goes up. Let's see if I can get it going how I want it to be. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this Sonia Kashuk liner, which is from Target, and I'm going to line my eyes. Is use this purple liner that I have from NYX, and I'm going to go over the black. Alright, so I have the other eye done now. Now I'm going to go ahead and just kind of clean up this part up here. Now going in with this BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to go into this yellow and orange color. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go into this color here as our brow highlight. And we'll just go into the purples from the Brazil palette. Mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. We need some primer. I'm going to go in with my Becca Evermatte Poreless Primer. Now we're going to go ahead and try this Fit Me 24-Hour Foundation. So the color I got, I think, is actually too golden. My undertone is kind of a reddish golden, and this is too golden, but it's the one I got, so I'm just going to go ahead and go in with it. So this is Warm Sun. Next time I have to get a different color, because you can see here, this is too golden. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to rock with it. This is compared to the Huda foundation, so I'm only going to use a pump and a half like I do with the Huda foundation. And let's get to work. So you can see it's really, really golden. So, I mean, it matches like my arm better and like here, but it's just a little too yellow. So we're gonna fix that with our highlighting and contouring. I'm gonna be going in with the new Instant Age Rewind Eraser. I got this in the color Golden, so hopefully, like in light of the situation we have with this foundation, hopefully Golden won't be too golden. I have not tried this color yet. And this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I don't have my a drugstore setting powder, Sorry about that, but this is only $20. It's Sacha Buttercup powder. And it's my Ray Ray brush, and it's my Ray Ray collection in the color Mocha. Here's our finishing powders, BH Studio Pro. And for the highlighter, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics. It's my Ray Ray bundle, and mixing Radiant and French Toast. From Maybelline, it's from the Unnude collection, and I'm going to mix it with this Violet Voss Flirt. All right, beauties, thank you guys so much for your patience. Thank you for watching. This took a long time because I had a little snafu, but I'm going to leave it in there because I want you guys to see if you are doing your eyeshadow look and you do mess up, you don't have to erase everything. You can do different things that can help you to be able to save the look. So I had to save this look. I think that it came out pretty cute. You guys let me know what you think below. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys' support so much. You don't even understand how much I do. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow our family, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.